Hi friends, welcome back to our backend application using the Node.js and Express.js for the Crowd API implementation. In the previous class we have completed the error middleware, configuring the error middleware. In this class we are going to test the application, test the APIs, test the these all APIs like creation of the post, get post, and update post and delete post. In this session, we are going to test the application using the Postman client. First, before testing this, make sure that your application able to run. npm run dev. Come to the open my Postman client. In this, create the one collection, empty collection. Click on this plus button and create the blank collection. Blank collection. Name it as a CRUD project, CRUD app for Post API. I'm going to name it as a CRUD app for Post API. In this project, I'm going to create first. I'm going to create the one folder here. That folder name I'm going to name it as a health check, health check, health check. In this folder, I'm going to create the one request, health check request, health check request. I'm going to leave it as a method is post get only. Sorry, get only. Here I'm going to write the http column slash slash localhost column. What is the port number my application is running? Here my application is running with a 7662 slash. What is the endpoint to handle the uh, check? Come to the app.js here to check the health of the application. We are using the slash only. If you go to the health check also, here also using the slash only. Come to the my Postman, can leave it a slash and click on the send button. Send button. See, we got the some response like a success is true message. We got the health okay, data we got the okay, and status code we got the 200. This message is coming from the. I'm going to show that one also. This message is coming from the controllers of healthcheck.controller.js here. This message is coming from the here like 200 okay health okay. Create one more folder in CRUD app folder parallel to the health check folder. I'm going to name it as a post app. In this, I'm going to create the so many requests like a create post and update post and get delete post. I'm going to create first. I'm going to get all post. Get all post. I'm going to leave it as a get method name is a get only slash slash http column slash slash localhost column 7662 slash. Let's come to the my project. Come to my app.js here API slash v1 API slash v1 slash. Come to the my post router. In this router, if you want to check the all the post means you have to give the slash post. If you click on the send button, we will get the all the post available in the my database or my mongodb NoSQL database. See, success is the true message. We got all posts. If you see here in the data section, here we getting the each and every post like all the posts like a ID, title, and body, and created it, updated it, and version. Same like all the post we got. whatever post available in my database or my NoSQL DB, all the post is getting using this get post. If you want only the single post, you have to, if you want only the get the only single post, see, copy this ID, create one more request, add a request here, add request, get single post, get one post. I'm going to give the get one post. Here I'm going to leave it a method is get only, this one also. Here http column slash slash localhost column localhost, give the proper name local 7662 my port number, API slash v1 slash. Here if you observe the getting the single post, we have to give the slash post slash ID number, slash post slash which ID number, this post ID number we have to give this. If we give this, give the ID and send the, click on the send button. If you observe here status code, we got the 200. Here we got the single post. In the previous, what is this, in the previous we got the only in the previous method, we in the previous method we got the all the post, but here we got the, here we got only single post using the ID, using this post ID. If you want only the, if you want another post means you have to change the ID number. If you want this JavaScript application code, this one means you have to change this ID number, slash post slash ID. If you click on this, see, we got the ID number and title and body and created it and updated it. And message we got the got single post and success is a true. If you want to create the new post, if you want to create the new post, I'm going to create post, create one more method call, one more request call, create new post and click on the here, change the method to HTTP method to post method, and here http column slash slash localhost column 7662 slash post. Here in the in the body section, in the body section, in the raw section, click on the raw section. Here you have to change the json object. Here you have to give the title you have to give here. I'm going to give Java and JavaScript. I'm going to give some title. Java and JavaScript both are not same. In the body section, I'm going to give Java and JavaScript have some similar functionalities. Some similar functionalities. Save this and you click on the send button. See, cannot send, cannot post. Means why we got this message. Come here slash post. Okay, sorry, my API endpoint is wrong. API slash v1 slash post. If you click on the send button, see, we got the post is created successfully. If you see here, success message true and message is post created successfully, and data we got the what title and body we given here, same title and body we got, and ID is generated automatically by mongoose, mongodb or mongoose, and we got the Here we got that created at and updated time and date. If you want to check the post here in this get all post, you can click on this, click on the button, you can check here. See, Java and JavaScript both are not same, and JavaScript and Java and JavaScript have some similar functionalities. If you want to check this single post using here, change the ID number and click on the send button. See, Java and JavaScript both are not same, and Java and JavaScript have the some similar functionalities like this. If you want to update this post. Suppose you have to update this post. The create one more request called update post. Here add request. Click on the in the post app. Click on right click on this and click on the add post and name it as a update post and change it method to put. Instead of the post and get, you can click on the put method and here give the http column slash slash localhost column 7662 slash API. Don't forget this endpoint API slash v1 slash post slash. I'm going to change my this post. That's why I'm copying this ID and in the update post you can give this ID and body part and raw section. Come to the raw section JSON format JSON and give the new title or you can update this Java and JavaScript are programming are both are suppose both are different programming languages. Suppose I'm giving this one and in the body part make sure this in the course double quotes in the body part Java is a backend programming. Suppose I'm giving this backend programming language and backend programming and JavaScript is there. Both JavaScript is supports. Suppose I'm giving here Java is supports only backend programming and JavaScript supports only JavaScript supports both front end and front end and backend programming. If you click on this button after giving this title and body, if you click on this button, see my post is updated with the same ID. ID is not changed, only the title and body part is going to change. Here, if you see here, Java and JavaScript both are different programming languages, and Java is supports only the backend programming, and JavaScript is supports both the front end and backend programming. And if you see, observe this, my creation of created time is same in the both post, but updated time is a different. If you see observe here, updated time is 2024 11. Maybe the date is same, but time will be changed. See, time will be changed. 450 36 37 seconds. Here we got the post updated successfully. Instead of the creation of the post, we have updated that one. That's why here we are getting the message called post updated successfully, and success is a true message. If you want to check this post is updated or properly not, in the get all post, click on here send button. See, instead of the previously we have there is a message called Java and JavaScript are both are different languages. Here we got the Java and JavaScript are the both are different programming languages. If you see this here message what we have, both are not same. In the previous message we have given the title called both are not same, but here it is updated to both are different programming languages. Here in this body part also are have similar functionality, but I have updated to the Java is supports only the backend programming. JavaScript is supports only the front end and backend. Sorry, supports both front end and backend programming. If you want to click on here also, this one also updated to the new. See, you click on the send button. See, updated to new messages. If you want to delete one of the posts, like suppose I'm going to delete this one, like a Java application code or source code. Click on this. Sorry, copy this ID and come to my post. Click on these three dots and create the add post. Click on the add post and here give the name called delete post and change the method to delete method. Delete method HTTP column / localhost column 7662 / API / v1 / what is the endpoint we have given. Come to my VS Code, go to my app.js, here API / v1, and this post.routes.js. In the deletion of the post, we have post / ID. Come to my Postman client, here ID you have to give this ID. I'm going to give the my Java application code. This ID I'm going to give in the delete post. Click on the send button. See, you will able to observe the status code is a 200 and the data we got the nothing because I have given the post is deleted. That's why the data is not there. Message also we got the post deleted successfully and success message is true. If you want to, in the creation of the post, I'm going to check the error also. How error is going to shown in the Postman. If you want to give this, suppose my post is there. Suppose mm in the update message, I'm going to copy my same message here also. Suppose this post is, I'm going to test. I'm going to see the how error is. I'm going to see the how error is getting, like how error response is getting. I'm going to handle. Sorry, friends. I'm going to see the how error message is getting if you handle the errors. If you handle the errors. Suppose in the new post I'm going to create. Here I'm going to create one more post. Intention of showing here creating the new post is that I'm going to show the how errors is getting, like how I handle the errors and this after getting the error how this error is get how the error message is observing in the my console or my API. If you I'm going to giving here new title called um, Java is a backend programming language. Java is a backend programming language. In the body part also, Java and JavaScript has a similar function. I'm going to leave it the same body. If you click on the send button, see, if you click on the send button, status code is the 201, post is created successfully, success is true message, and the data we got the ID is generated is a, and the title and body part we got the same. Um, if we click on the once again with the same title, if you same title, leaving with the same title, if you click on the this send button, send button, status code is a we got this error message is handled. We handle the error message. That error message we got here is the status code is a 400. Error is a error is a empty error we got here. Error is a empty error we got, and success message is a false. And message we got the post already existed. We got the message called post already existed, and stack is a where the error is occurred. If you go to the source code here in the post.controllers.js, in the line number 13, here we getting the error. If you instead of the 400, you can give the 401 401. If you click on the once again this send button, see status code is changed to 401, and success is a false, and message we got the post already existed, and error message is coming from the error is thrown from the line number 13 in the file of post.controller.js. Like this we have handled the errors. If you haven't seen my previous video handling the error middleware, you can watch in the my I'm leaving with that video in my cards. You can watch that, and you can come here and you can watch this video. That's all, friends. My API testing my API application APIs is completed. If you like my content and if you like my explanation, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.